Hey, how you going, guys? I'm all caffeinated and kangaroos jumping into your screen, and I've just had a really great idea. I've been stewing on this idea for actually a couple of weeks, if I've got to be honest. And I've been reflecting, how did I have all the success that I had when I first started on my online marketing journey? And one of the things I did was I did a 100-day blogging challenge. Now, let's take the word blog out and for today and replace that for social media. So a 100-day content challenge. And in that challenge, I set myself, I'm just going to share content for 100 days from the perspective of, back then, was the day in the life of a newbie online marketer. You know, basically teaching people how to do internet marketing and all the tools, the tips, the techniques, the strategies, and everything, all the lessons and everything that I learned. And I'd create a post, a blog, a day. And at the end of each blog, I had a strong call to action. Essentially, back then, it was to join my newsletter, get people on my email list, but it was to stay involved in the conversation, to stay involved in the story. So I've been thinking, how can we reverse engineer that for today? And I think the concept itself is still solid. 100-day content challenge. And with tools with AI mastery and ChatGPT and image creators and all that now. So, you know, going off the back of the ChatGPT challenge, this could be the what's next piece, the what's next step on how to apply what you learn from the challenge and then go and take action and implement that. And let's do a 100-day support challenge together. So I'm looking at my calendar. I'm not sure when I'm going to kick this challenge off. It'll be this week or next week or whatever, but I just wanted to get some buy-in first and see who's along with the ride. Who wants to join me on a 100-day content marketing challenge? And, you know, let's support each other. Let's encourage each other. Let's celebrate each other. And the purpose of this is to go and serve our tribe. Let's go and create content. Let's start the conversation, right? Our marketing is designed to start the conversation, not to sell. The sales happens inside the conversation once that's started. So if we go and create awesome content and just serve from the lessons that we're sharing, and then we can put the content up in the group and we can say, hey guys, just posted up today's post. Go and like it for me. Go and comment it on it. And we can support each other in that space. That'll in turn help, you know, gain the algorithm and get more reach and more interaction for us to make sure our content's getting in front of our ideal people. So my question for you is, who's involved? Who wants to get involved in this 100-day content challenge? I'll run it, I'll facilitate it, and I'll you know, help you, you know, support you in this space. All you have to do is go and share a piece of content a day, sharing a tool, a tip, a strategy, a lesson with a strong call to action. On, you know, let's, you know, what did you like about this? What did you like about that? You know, have you thought about doing this? Have you thought about doing that? Something to start the conversation, right? Follow my lead. We'll do this together. And every now and once a week, what I'll do is actually I'll do some hot seat training on it. I'll go and check somebody's content and I'll say, okay, cool. This is what I would have done different. This is how we can improve it. This is how we can tweak it. And this is how we can adjust it. Do this as a group together. And we'll be able to support one another. I reckon by the next 90 days, our next 90 days are going to look completely different. So who's in? Let me know.